Alright, so how y'all been? It has been about, I'd say 4 days, 5 days since I've painted. I've had a hell of a time trying to get hardware for this subframe. Hopefully this hodgepodge mixture that we have here will work. I couldn't get any flanged. These are 12 by 175, I believe, or something like that, 125 maybe. Couldn't find any flanged. Couldn't find any 14 by 15 flanged. So I got a bunch of unflanged bolts and stuff. So we're gonna try to get it on. I'm gonna basically remove all of this stuff and we're gonna check out the paint. So let's get into that. Well, like that, the subframe is on and in. My dumbass put it on. I realized that I didn't have the suspension pieces on, so Eric and I dropped it, and then I put the suspension pieces on, and now it's in. We do need to put the struts and stuff back in, but that's not the goal. Eric and I are about to tear the trans apart, so I'm gonna roll it over to here, and we're gonna get crack-a-lacking on that, so I'll be back in a second.
Yeah, so it doesn't like fall, like that dirt fall on your tram and shit.
Yeah, I don't want that's exactly where my brain is at. Skirt. Lovely. Get some cans.
It's got low VOCs, dude.
Yeah.
If that's the case, I'm fucked. I coughed too many chemicals in my day.
It's the same, bro. I think about that shit sometimes. I'm like, damn, I might die soon.
Every time I get a little pain, I'm like, this is it?
This is my anxiety gets me.
Yeah,
I'm fucking dying.
I'm fucking dying. This is it. I'm going. Like I say it all the time, but I don't actually mean it. Don't take me.
I just don't want to break my shit.
It's just that RTV holding it. You need to kind of. There you go. Okay, so it doesn't come up there. Doesn't come up there. Doesn't come up there. It comes up here. Is there a?
All right, well, we got it out.
That's just it's gear. That's gear oil.
Yeah, it's nasty. It's crusty.
Because it's a technically a transact.
So once this is out, you want to be in here. There is a cotter pin through here that you got to knock out. So homie said he used a Torx 25 to knock it out. I don't have any, like, what are they called?
What, torch sticks?
No. It's like
Yeah, an Allen key.
it's like a stamp. It's like a straight, like.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, you know, I don't know.
Is that what they're actually
punch?
called? A punch, yeah. A punch would be like ideal. I don't have a punch.
Yeah. Is it coming out at all?
I don't think so. I think so. Actually, maybe.
Oh shit, oh shit.
Not good, it's hitting it. Not good. Not good. Fuck me.
Hold it, hold it.
We just need to spin just a little bit.
Yeah. Okay.
Tap, tap, tap.
Boom.
All right. She comes out. And where's this fucking seal at? Is it up underneath the boot?
Yeah. I can see it from here. Right in there, right? Is that it?
I think it's this thingy right here.
Sometimes you have to use a pick.
Oh, that was fucking chill. That was real chill.
What the fuck? Easy peasy.
Actually, while this is off, I'm gonna just hit it with the wire brush.
Sure. And then brake clean it.
Yeah.
I feel like this wasn't in all the way.
The one that was on?
Yeah.
No, probably not. That's probably might be why it was leaking.
It was like, it's like, yeah, it was crooked. You can see the mark on the side of it. It was like sitting, I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be flush. Because look how deep that goes. It's the thickness of this, and it was just sitting up like that. It's probably, that's 100% why it was leaking.
I mean, the new seal is only like $3.
Yeah.
Or $6.
That's not bad at all.
Alright, so Eric and I cleaned this bad Jesse up, talked some bullshit, and now we're gonna throw a little bit of assembly lube on this here old bearing. Oh, well, it moved on me. It's all good though. We're just gonna finger it.
There you go.
We'll just finger it in there. Especially because we just hit it with some brake clean, and then that kind of just gets rid of a lot of the stuff on it. So we'll just oil it up a little bit, lube it up a little bit, and
I got a
then
paper towel.
I have this, this is all I got right now, brother. I have no fucking paper towel. Very unfortunately. We ran out, and then I didn't go to the store today. Yeah.
Boom. Look at that.
Yeah.
It was
mine was definitely pushed out.
Yeah, it was not in.
Okay. So now we take... This goes on first, right?
Boot, boot, boot. Don't forget about the boot. You want to clean this?
Yeah, let's degrease that. Oh, God. Okay. Now that the boot is clean.
Snap it over that.
There's something to boot it.
Something to boot that boot?
Damn, that thing nice now.
Is that the right way now? Oh, it's got to be, yeah, because it lines up with that.
I don't think it...
Because this slides into this. 100%. Yeah, that's right. Bing bong.
It is backwards. Son of a biscuit.
You know how to do it now. we know how to do it now.
Oh.
Fuck. Oh, is that right? I feel like it went farther this way.
But there's literally like no physical possibility. Like this
Yeah.
holds it into place.
Yeah.
Whoa. Fuck me. We were doing good for a second there.
Yeah, because if we put it on the other side, it just spins to the other side.
It's very unfortunate. I was kind of in the spot for a second. I thought it was there. Now I gotta find it again.
Yeah, we got it. It has to be right.
How many retards does it take to fix a car?
Alright, we have it right. It's right. It's right.
Let's pull it out and get that hit with the brake clean one more time. And then I'm gonna hit this little area.
I bet you those teeth actually hit the reverse lockout stuff. That's what those do. Those little fins are what switch the gears.
I feel you. That makes sense. Okay. So we have some RTV on the surface. This is all cleaned up. Everything's ready to go. Oh, there's a fucking hair. It's not ready to go. Misspoke, huh? Too soon. Some little bullshits. Always double check. Alright, let's get this down. Hello. That's what I'm saying. I'm stuck in this little like gap that I'm trying to.
Keep the shifter straight like this, and then try to find that bearing, and it should drop down a level. And then after that, you're gonna have to move the gear selector.
Because like it drops down to this point, and then like I don't know what last time you kind of like there you go.
Yeah, and then I
fucked with it. Yeah, no, you're good. You're good.
And it literally just went down.
Oh yeah.
There it is. Boom, it's in.
I was like, it was getting stuck at that like midpoint. Didn't want to drop all the way. This goes like that.
Yep.
It's okay. Cool. All right, well, finally, after years, I wanted to fix this. I wanted to fix this since before I even blew the car up. This motherfucker behind the camera.
POV. Got the POV camera going.
But yeah, we got everything back together. I'm gonna go ahead and I gotta tighten this guy up down here. And I need to buy a clutch and
put it on the motor.
Yeah, and then there's a few other things I need to buy. And I can't remember at this point exactly off the top of my head. Alright, so unfortunately the camera died, and then I recorded this and the audio didn't work, so third time is a charm, right? Trans is back together, it's up over here. I need to degrease and clean it and get a new clutch. I need to get my flywheel resurfaced. The subframe is obviously back in, everything's ready to go there. I need to finish the suspension stuff. Not too much of a big deal there though. I'm not really worried about that at this point. I need to check all of my brake calipers, make sure they're not seized and that they're working properly. That's kind of hard to do with the car down, but we'll try. At this point, I can probably put the turbo on, finish dressing up the engine a little bit more. I need to figure out blocking wherever those coolant lines run from the oil cooler and figure out getting an oil-based oil cooler. And then I also need to get the power steering cooler and have that fixed up. So yeah, I mean, there's a decent amount of things to do. Not too much, but it's coming along, it's coming together, and I'm making progress. So thank you to Eric. He comes and helps every once in a while. I appreciate him. He's been a big help. Brian was a big help in the past. He helped me, you know, with the tools to pull the engine, so I appreciate him. I didn't have a crane at first, so, you know, without him, I wouldn't have been able to pull the engine in a reasonable manner. I would have had to buy the crane and spend a little bit more money, even though I ended up buying one regardless. It saved me in the initial period of time. So shout out the homies. And yeah, I don't know what we'll be doing in the next one and where we're going to go from here. But essentially, it'll probably be putting the turbo on the engine, figuring out the coolant routing, and then maybe getting the flywheel resurfaced, going somewhere to do that. So yeah, I will see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed, and like, share, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Try to get me to 500. I'm trying to get to 500, baby. I'm trying to stay a little bit more active on the videos, and then as well as trying to get more shorts out there. I think I'm going to go through and turn some of the old videos into shorts just to kind of draw some more traffic to the channel. I'm trying to get to the monetization point just because, I mean, who doesn't want to make money off of making videos? And you know, it's the end goal. So yeah, I'll see you all in the next one.